From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast with your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. Well, Andrew and his buddies just aren't going as far as they used to. Maybe you've noticed. Things cost more these days, and that's why it's important to plan your vacation with a little boost from visitmysmokies.com. We're very proud and happy to save you money. We do it all the time. That's why we offer a variety of Smoky Mountain coupons. Anything from local attractions to great restaurants. We can also provide you with the best rates for your cabin in the Smokies. That's what you're going to spend most of your money on, and so that's one way to save quickly. From the main menu, you click Save, and then click Cabin Specials. Maybe hang on to some of your friends a little bit longer. Many of those cabin options come with great amenities. I mean, look at some of those places. Nice, huh? In order to get the most out of what you're paying for, make sure you take advantage of it. If you've got an indoor pool, spend an evening swimming with your family. Some of those properties come with home theater rooms, game rooms, hot tubs, and so much more. Another money saver is also a time saver, and that's the Gatlinburg Trolley. If you use that, you can get around Gatlinburg and not have to deal with driving through traffic. The trolley is also free. The trolley has stops set up all throughout Gatlinburg, including the Mass Transit Center. It's right there by the aquarium of the Smokies. Guests can use the trolley to get into downtown without having to fight the traffic. You shouldn't have to wait too long for a ride. There are 20 different trolleys that are always prowling the town looking for passengers. And there are some activities that are off the beaten path that won't cost you an arm and a leg. Just maybe a little salt and pepper. We use this for an example, the Salt and Pepper Shaker Museum. It's a fascinating place to visit, and the adult admission tickets are just $3. Kids 12 and under get in free. You can use your admission toward a purchase in the gift shop. And there's plenty of other affordable activities throughout town. You got moonshine tasting, window shopping on the Parkway. My gosh, you could spend the day doing that. And exploring the Gatlinburg Arts and Crafts community, too. And you know what else is free? Over 1,800 different articles to help you plan your time in the mountains with visitmysmokies.com. And you know what else is free? My forecast. There you go. Money back if not satisfied. I would plan those indoor activities for next week. It looks like we get into a more active weather pattern starting Monday afternoon, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Daily chances of showers and storms that may not rain out the whole day, but you'll just have to keep an eye to the sky. This weekend looks just plain toasty. Plenty of sunshine and typically hot summertime temperatures. They're going to peak in the mid-90s on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And I'll take another peek at all the fun you can have soon from visitmysmokies.com.